Yo, Mona Lisa, could I get a date on Friday? And if you're busy, I wouldn't mind taking Saturday. Hey. Round up the posse, Fuji coming around the way.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tykara. Today's video, I have a 1 month lock update. It's been 1 month since I started my locks and we still going strong, okay? So if you guys did not know, I started my microlock journey 1 month ago. It was November 22nd of 2018 and today is December 22nd 2018, and I'm here for a 1 month update for you guys. I am due for a retie, but I didn't do that yet because I wanted to show you exactly what my hair looks like not tainted. I didn't do anything to it, so I'll just show you guys what it looks like towards the end of the video. Sorry for this weird lighting. It's like a weird time to be filming right now, but I wanted to get this video done today because it's exactly 1 month since I started my lock journey. I asked you guys to ask me some questions regarding my lock journey underneath this video on my YouTube channel. In that video, I explained that my mom was starting locks and she has a different hair texture than me and a different hair type. So I was wondering if you guys would like to see her journey as well as mine on this channel. So you guys let me know that yes, you want to see that. So we're going to be doing that for y'all. I asked you guys to ask me some questions about my hair, so I'm going to be answering those questions today. I got some questions from my Instagram DMs and that video on YouTube, so I'm going to answer these questions that you guys asked me, and I'm also going to give you my input on some things that I think would be important for you all to know. Let's get into these questions. So starting with DMs, Chloe and Hallie fan. I love Chloe and Hallie. She asked me a number of questions. The first one is, what type of shampoo do I use? Let me get it. Did you see my sweatpants? I use this clarifying shampoo by the brand Kenra. I got this from Ulta before I started my locks, and this is what I use to wash my hair before I install them. Go ahead and take a screenshot. Then she asked, what's my favorite essential oil that I use for my hair? So I do not necessarily use essential oils, but the oils that I like to use for my hair are vitamin E and jojoba oil. Those are my two favorite oils, all-time favorites. I've been using more vitamin E lately though, but jojoba is good as well. So the next question is, how often do I wash my hair? I wash my hair once a week, and whenever I wash my hair, I only use this Kenra clarifying shampoo, and I also use the braid and band method. I have a video on my first wash day up. I'll have that linked in the eye if you want to see that. The next question is favorite hairstyles. So I got something to admit. Now, these locks are very versatile, but to be honest, I have not really experimented with any styles. I wear my hair like this every single day, and if it's not like this, then like I might do like a bun, or I might do like half up, half down, but for the most part I'm looking just like this and I'm fine with it because it's cute. Would you ever wear lock jewelry in your hair? Yes, I would once my locks started to form. I really want to, but I'm waiting until they completely mature because I don't know how I feel about putting anything in these because they're so soft and new. I wouldn't want to weigh them down with anything, but whenever they mature, it's on and popping. Thank you, Chloe and Hallie fan, for asking me questions. These are some really good questions. I hope these help some of you. So moving on to the YouTube video questions that I asked you guys to ask me. Chelsea here says, what's your moisturizing routine and what's your hair type? So my moisturizing routine is very simple. I only moisturize my hair about 2 to 3 times a week because I don't want to overdo it, because I know that moisture kind of prohibits your hair from locking. However, I do not risk like the health of my hair for my locks to lock faster. So that's why I mainly do it 2 to 3 times a week, usually no more than that. But if it feels really dry and brittle, I would definitely moisturize it more because I don't need to have brittle locks out here before I even start. Like, that's not a good look. I don't want that for me. What's your hair type? My hair type, I would say, is definitely type 4. Mostly 4A, 4B. My hair is looser around the edges, like around like the nape of my neck all the way like to the front. It's looser than like my crown, so I would say like around my edges I'm about a 4A, and then in the crown 4B. She also asked any natural hair products that I recommend. Well, for locks, I would recommend jojoba oil or vitamin E. That's what I've been using, and that's what's been working for me, and also rose water. But if you are talking about like loose natural hair, like maybe you have loose natural hair, I was using homemade whipped shea butter, and that's all that I use to moisturize my hair. The next question comes from Happiness. Do you do anything to maintain your roots? Retwist them or anything? They look so good. Thank you, girl. I'm going to be interlocking. If you would like to see my first retie, which is going to be happening soon because it has been 4 weeks, let me know and I'll record that video for y'all so that you can watch it. June Summer asks, what do you do when your twists start to unravel? So I have been experiencing a bit of unraveling with mainly the twist in the front. Whenever they start to unravel, I just twist them right back up. Like, I do it in class, I do it like whenever I see a lock that has been untwisted a little bit. There are a couple factors that I think that contribute to my locks unraveling, and one of them is that I do a lot of twist outs, and I'm just so used to, like with my loose natural hair, I guess I'm just so used to like unraveling every single like piece like this. And so I think by me rubbing my fingers through my hair all the time like this, I think that has caused it to unravel a bit. So to kind of combat that, I have tried to just like minimize like my styling. Like I try not to retwist it like every single night, because really I don't have to, but sometimes I just do it anyway, just because I'm so used to like having to do it. Like I'm not used to not having to do anything, so I just do the most sometimes. So I'm still working on that. While my mama and I were establishing my locks, we were kind of doing like a little experiment. Some of the locks that we have are twisted all the way down until about here. It's braided, so we went from twist to braids, and I noticed that the ones that we braided at the ends, those do not unravel. Those are like solid and stuck, but the ones that we just twisted and like kind of curled the end like that after we were done, those are the ones that are unlocking. So if you are two-strand twisting your micro locks, I would recommend to braid the ends just a couple of times, because that'll keep it more secure than if you just twist it around at the ends. Those are all the questions that you guys asked me, but I do have my own little input. I'm gonna go ahead and read that to you off of my list. Some frequently asked questions that I feel like would be interesting for you guys to know is that I started my locks with about 14 inches of hair. So yeah, that was pretty long. I couldn't imagine going into like a consultant and being like, yo, like I want locks. Like that would have been so expensive, like for 14 inches of hair. Another thing is that I have 644 locks, so I was just glad that I didn't have like 800 or something, because that would have been too crazy for me. It took us about 4 days to complete my locks, with a total of 15 hours. Dryness and itching, definitely had that with the first 2 weeks of my locks. They were itching like crazy. I don't know if you're supposed to do this or not, but I definitely took some oil. I just took that and I massaged like oil in my scalp, because I could see like dry patches, and I didn't want to like scratch at it because that might be like weakening my follicles. So I didn't do that. I just put oil on it. I only did it once though, so I'm not like doing that. I only did that one time, and that worked to relieve some of the itching. That's it for my 1 month lock update. So excited. This has been the best decision that I have ever made about my hair. I'm telling you, if you think about locking your hair and you don't know whether or not to do it yet, you need to go ahead and do it, because it is the bomb. It is life. I can't explain to you like how happy I am that I made this decision. So I would recommend this for anybody to do. Now I guess I will give you guys a close-up of my hair before I end the video. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that this helps some of you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you will be one of the exclusive people to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm out.